So guys, ngayon guys, bumili tayo ng palabok. Yan guys, oh. May chacharon, tapos may kalating itlog guys. Yan guys, oh. Kitang kita naman. Halagang 60 pesos guys. Masarap to guys, oh. Madilaw-dilaw guys, oh. Yun, oh. Sarap, oh. Palabok. Mapapalaban tayo guys sa makainan guys. Palabok guys. Halagang 60 pesos guys. Chacharon pa guys, oh. Yan, oh. Yan. Yan, oh. Chacharon. Tikman natin yun guys mamaya patapos. Sarap talaga to guys. Sarap. Halagang 60 pesos yan guys, ha. Halagang 60 pesos. Tikman natin ahang palabok. Sarap to guys. Grabe.